back on site. Almost everything is set. Nice trimmed out around the window. Nice and sloped. Level and sloped. Then we got this small boy here. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to set these pebbles here one by one. And I'm going to do a time lapse here, and I'll tell you actually how long this took me just to do. I mean, it takes more time, but you won't see any sheet lines where they meet. So doing these pebbles can be done sheet by sheet, but there's a really good chance that you're going to see the lines, say there's a sheet here to here, where they meet up. So one by one is how we're going to do this. I'm going to use a 1/4 by 1/4 trowel, and this is a small one here, so I can fit in here without have to worry about whacking into the marble and chipping something. So that's going to do it. Trowel X, 1/4 by 1/4 trowel, and using Lettercrete Tri-Light to set these bad boys. Flat side of the trowel, always key it in the substrate. Not something everyone does, but it really creates an awesome bond. You can't really get better. And we just flip over to the notch side here. Now, when you do wall tile, you want to keep your trowel notches vertically. It holds the tile actually better. Rather than horizontally, so you want it vertically, not horizontally. Now these pebbles, you want to make sure you don't set them upside down. I've done that myself, believe me. So, if you have the glue on inside, we know that's the back. Let's go one by one here. Alright, that's it. See, it's not perfectly clean, but all this can come off the next day. Make sure you wipe down the face, so any little thin set like this over here tomorrow. There's actually water down with some water, so that'll scrape off no problem. But that's it. 1 by 1 pebbles. You see sheets nowhere. Perfect. Using a 1/4 by 1/4 trowel. The thing is with these pebbles, a lot of them are kind of like round, so when you set them, you don't get 100% coverage on them. I mean, you're never gonna, because one side is, you know, flat, and the other side is kind of round. So won't be perfect, but make sure you bed them in good. 1/4 by 1/4 trowel. For here, we're good.